Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Cancers, if you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have the Magician in reverse, the Papist in reverse, and Page of Sons. So with these cards, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your personal life situation, guys. And Cancers, in your situation, there is someone who is really, who is someone important to you. Maybe they are really close to you. They support you and they are maybe your older sibling or it may be your mentor. So someone important, but this person is guiding you, they are suggesting you certain things, and they are someone who is giving you valuable suggestions. But today this person is trying to tell you something. They are maybe make you do certain things. They are forcing you into certain thing, trying to control you, and you may not like it. You have true love for this person, but what they are doing to you today is something you cannot stand. And they are quite bossy, trying to be over indulgent in your affairs, maybe making decisions for you and trying to control you in ways possible, in every way possible for them. So they are trying to manipulate you into something or trying to use your skills and talents, and you are simply confused and you are simply stressed. Maybe you would have asked them suggestions about this person you love. Maybe you would have heard something, gossips or something, and you wanted to clarify that or get some good suggestion from someone close to you. You have told this person something, but this person is not giving you the truthful or honest suggestions. They have their own agenda and they are trying to control you and make use of this situation to lead you into some difficulty, guys. So you need to be careful, guys. Cancers, if you know someone like that in your situation, you have to be really careful. And this person, this may be this person's energy. Maybe this person is quite younger to you, maybe for some of you. That may be the reason for you asking people your suggestions. Maybe you are interested in them and you want to take this relationship to the next level, but they are someone much younger, or you are someone much younger. Your partner may be older in years, or some kind of immature energy is there in your relationship. Maybe you don't know them for a long time, but you want to take this relationship to the next level. That may be the reason you are thinking deeply about this connection, guys. And maybe this person simply admires you or you simply admire them. You both have a great physical attraction, intimacy, and you love each other and you are inseparable. That may be the reason that you are maybe for some of you it may be you may think that it is too soon to step into a deeper commitment with this person, and that may be the reason you are thinking about your decision, guys, and taking suggestions. But you need to understand that this person you are in relationship with, they are really faithful, guys, loyal. So if you are thinking of a commitment, you can go forward with that, guys. That is what I see. So you should not trust this person who is giving you some wrong suggestions. So you need to stay away from that person, whoever is trying to control you guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Knight of Sons in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe there are some unexpected changes in this connection, guys. Maybe you are, maybe this person is here for fun and not for true love. Maybe they have come here to have that intimate, and maybe they may think of this relationship just for fun, not for that deep commitment. Maybe when you want commitment, this person may move away from you guys. For some of you, I see that there is some kind of misunderstanding in this relationship, guys. So you need to wait, guys, if you are if you want a commitment, you need to wait and see. So if this person wants fun, they may move out of this relationship on their own accord. So you need not do anything, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is 5 of Spheres in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, there are lots of difficulties you are facing, and you need to order things, put it into a particular way of doing. And maybe in your career, the people you work with, they are too concerned about you or your work, or you are concerned about their work, and you're indulging too much in each other's work, and that may lead to some kind of bitterness between you and the other people you work with. So you need to give them space, just like you need space for your work. So whatever decisions or whatever your situation is, guys, you need to be really careful in your career situation, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all, and the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or um, maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone, shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family, or this person. Someone is coming interested in you. You are not ready to face them. You are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have. And maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spent too much time alone. That time is over now, and you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.